The observance of Ordnance Factories Day stands as a powerful testament to India's enduring journey towards self-reliance in defense and a heartfelt tribute to the unwavering dedication of those who tirelessly equip our armed forces. This annual commemoration transcends a mere historical remembrance. It serves as a vital affirmation of our nation's present strength and a resolute commitment to future security and sovereignty. Ordnance Factories Day is observed with national pride every year on the 18th of March. This significant date marks the anniversary of the commencement of production at the first ordnance factory in India, established in Kashipur, Kolkata. This video aims to take us through the historical journey of these vital institutions, illuminate the profound significance of this day, describe the vibrant celebrations that take place across the nation, and underscore the indispensable role that ordnance factories, now operating as defense public sector undertakings, that is DPSUs, play in safeguarding India's defense capabilities. The story of India's ordnance factories is deeply intertwined with the annals of the British colonial era. Recognizing the strategic imperative of having readily available weaponry for their army in India, the British East India Company laid the foundation for indigenous arms manufacturing. This marked the initial steps towards establishing a self-sustaining defense industrial base on Indian soil. Several key milestones mark the evolution of this crucial sector. In 1775, a significant step was taken with the establishment of the Board of Ordnance at Fort William, Calcutta. This event signified the formal organizational beginning of Army Ordnance in India, laying the groundwork for a more structured approach to defense production. The late 18th century witnessed further progress with the establishment of gunpowder factories in Ishapur in 1787, with production commencing in 1791. These early factories were crucial in addressing the fundamental need for ammunition, a vital component of any military force. The year 1801 stands out as a landmark in this journey, with the establishment of the Gun Carriage Agency in Kashipur, Kolkata. Production at this facility commenced on March 18, 1802. Remarkably, this establishment, now known as the Gun and Shell Factory Kashipur, holds the distinction of being the oldest ordnance factory in India still in existence. Its longevity serves as a tangible link to the historical beginnings of India's defense production capabilities. Following India's independence in 1947, the control of these vital factories transitioned to the Indian government. Recognizing the need for a more cohesive and efficient management structure, the Ordnance Factory Board, that is OFB, was established in 1979. This marked a significant step towards a more focused and nationalized approach to defense production, aligning with the aspirations of a newly independent nation striving for self-sufficiency. In a significant development aimed at enhancing efficiency and modernization, the year 2021 witnessed a substantial restructuring of the defense production landscape. The erstwhile Ordnance Factory Board was dissolved and its functions were transferred to 7 newly formed Defense Public Sector Undertakings, that is DPSUs. This move towards corporatization reflects a strategic intent to inject greater autonomy and efficiency into defense production, mirroring contemporary industrial practices. Interestingly, there are indications of a potential remerger of these DPSUs in 2024, suggesting a possible recalibration to optimize operational synergies. The selection of March 18th as Ordnance Factories Day is not arbitrary. It specifically commemorates the commencement of production at the foundational gun carriage agency in Kashipur in 1802. This precise date holds immense historical significance, marking the true beginning of sustained ordnance production in India. Beyond its historical importance, Ordnance Factories Day serves as a vital occasion to recognize the tireless efforts and unwavering dedication of the workforce engaged in these crucial institutions. Their commitment to supplying high-quality arms and ammunition to the Indian Armed Forces is paramount to national security. And this day provides a platform to acknowledge their invaluable contributions, fostering a sense of pride and motivation among the employees who serve the nation through their work. The observance also plays a crucial role in underscoring the significant technological advancements achieved by the Indian defense industrial complex in enhancing national security and promoting self-reliance in defense production. By highlighting indigenous capabilities, the day reinforces the national commitment to reducing dependence on foreign imports and strengthening strategic autonomy, aligning with broader national initiatives aimed at bolstering domestic manufacturing. Furthermore, Ordnance Factories Day provides a valuable platform to showcase the research, development, and manufacturing prowess of India's defense industrial base. Exhibitions and demonstrations offer the public and stakeholders a glimpse into the advancements and capabilities in indigenous defense manufacturing, building confidence and national pride in the country's ability to equip its forces. Historically, the Ordnance Factories Board was recognized as the fourth pillar of national defense, standing alongside the Army, Navy, and Air Force. This designation underscored the critical and indispensable role of these factories in the nation's defense structure, highlighting their strategic importance in maintaining national security. The celebration of Ordnance Factories Day across India is marked by various events that instilled a sense of patriotism and showcase the strength of our defense manufacturing sector. Traditional observances often begin with the hoisting of the national flag and the singing of the national anthem. These acts serve as a powerful reminder of the national pride and the significance of the day. A key feature of the celebrations is the organization of exhibitions by various ordnance factories and now the DPSUs. These exhibitions provide a tangible demonstration of the capabilities and diversity of India's defense production, displaying a wide array of indigenously manufactured weapons, rifles, artillery, ammunition, armored vehicles, and other essential defense equipment. Parades and award ceremonies are also integral to the celebrations. These events acknowledge the achievements and contributions of individuals and units within the sector, serving to motivate the workforce and recognize excellence in their service to the nation. Additionally, seminars, workshops, and cultural events are organized to commemorate the rich legacy of these institutions, facilitate the sharing of valuable insights, and showcase the diverse talents of the employees. These activities foster knowledge sharing, promote innovation, and build a strong sense of community among those who contribute to India's defense capabilities. The paramount role of ordnance factories, now operating as DPSUs, lies in their function as the primary source for equipping the Indian Army, Navy, and Air Force within a robust and reliable supply of arms, ammunition, and other essential equipment. This fundamental role positions them at the very core of India's national security framework. These institutions manufacture a remarkably diverse range of products catering to all domains of modern warfare. This includes everything from small arms and artillery systems to sophisticated armored vehicles, a wide spectrum of ammunition and explosives, various military vehicles, naval weaponry, aircraft armaments, and even essential clothing and support equipment. This extensive production capability significantly reduces India's reliance on multitude of foreign supplies. The indigenous production of such a comprehensive range of defense equipment makes a vital contribution to India's self-reliance, strengthening its strategic autonomy and conserving valuable foreign exchange. This reduced dependence on imports is crucial for India's long-term strategic independence and economic stability, granting greater control over defense policy and spending. Continuous efforts in research and development are integral to these institutions, leading to consistent technological advancements and the production of modern and sophisticated defense equipment. This unwavering focus on innovation ensures that the Indian armed forces are equipped with cutting-edge technology to effectively address evolving security challenges in a rapidly changing global landscape. Throughout India's history, the ordnance factories have played a crucial role in supporting the nation during the times of war and conflict, ensuring a steady and reliable supply of essential equipment to the armed forces. Their unwavering support during these critical periods underscores their profound importance as a strategic asset for national security, demonstrating their reliability in times of crisis. Looking towards the future, the recent corporatization of the OFB into 7 DPSUs, namely Advanced Weapons and Equipment India Limited, Armored Vehicles Nigam Limited, Gliders India Limited, India Optel Limited, Munitions India Limited, Troop Comforts Limited, and Yantra India Limited represents a significant step towards modernization. This restructuring is strategically aimed at enhancing efficiency, granting greater autonomy, and fostering innovation within the defense production sector. This aligns perfectly with the government's Make in India initiative, which strongly emphasizes indigenous design, development, and manufacturing in the defense sector. This national initiative provides a significant impetus for the continued growth and modernization of the Indian defense industry. Furthermore, there is a continuous drive towards technological upgradation within these institutions, with the increasing adoption of modern manufacturing techniques, automation, digital technologies such as CAD, that is CAD, CAM, that is CAM, CNC machining, 3D printing, and robotics. Coupled with a strong emphasis on research and development, these efforts are crucial for producing high quality and technologically advanced defense equipment, ensuring that India remains at the forefront of defense manufacturing capabilities. Ordnance Factories Day stands as a powerful symbol of India's strength, its unwavering commitment to self-reliance, and its enduring dedication to national security. The legacy of these institutions, from their historical origins to their present-day contributions as DPSUs, remains a cornerstone in safeguarding the nation. On this significant day, we express our deepest appreciation and national pride for the dedication and hard work of all the personnel associated with these vital entities for their invaluable service to our nation.